Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. Just wanted to show you this little tractor I picked up today off of a local buy and sell website. It's a John Deere D100 ride mower. It's got the bagging kit on it, the twin bagger kit. It's been used, you can see. It's in really nice shape, guys. It's got, turn the switch on. It's got 17.7 hours. So it's been used, hopefully not abused, ridden hard and put away wet. It's in really nice shape though anyway. I think I just said that. There's a mark on the deck there, and the tires need some air. They're a little low from sitting. It's got the Briggs & Stratton 17.5 horse engine in it. And I picked this up today, guys, for $1,000. I think I paid a little bit too much for it, but seeing as it is in as new condition, I know that these tractors are about I believe 1,400 or 1,500 US new, plus the bagging kit. So I'm gonna try and put this on for double my money, for $2,000, and we're gonna see what happens. Like I said, I picked it up on a local buy and sell website, and I'm gonna just put it back up on a different local buy and sell website and try and turn a profit this weekend. People love John Deere stuff, so hopefully this thing does go. It's in fantastic shape, and I've actually got the manuals for it as well. Well, there you go, guys. I'll do an update on the description line as soon as this thing sells. We'll see how long it takes. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.